What if I told you that the dollar in your pocket is only worth something because millions of people believe it is? Sounds strange, right? But here's the real mystery. Why is $1 US worth more than some currencies and less than others? Who decides its value? Is there a secret room where powerful people set the price? Or is something much bigger happening behind the scenes? Stay until the end, because the answer might completely change how you look at money. So let's start with a simple question. Imagine you have a rare concert ticket. If thousands of people want it, what happens? Its price goes up. Now imagine nobody wants it. Its value crashes. The US dollar works in a surprisingly similar way. Every day, trillions of dollars are bought and sold around the world. Countries need dollars. Companies need dollars. Investors need dollars. And when demand for dollars rises, the dollar becomes stronger. But here's where things get interesting. What makes people want more dollars in the first place? One major reason is the strength of the US economy. When America's economy grows, businesses earn more, investors become confident, and money flows into the country. More money entering means more demand for dollars, and higher demand usually means a higher value. But that's only one piece of the puzzle. There's another powerful force hiding in the shadows. Interest rates. When US interest rates rise, investors around the world can earn better returns by keeping their money in dollar-based assets. Suddenly, everyone wants dollars. And when everyone wants something, its value tends to increase. But wait, there's one more factor that can shake the entire system. Fear. Yes, fear. During global crises, wars, or economic uncertainty, investors often rush towards the US dollar because they see it as a safer place to store wealth. It's like a financial shelter during a storm. The more fear spreads, the more demand for dollars can rise. So who really determines the value of the dollar? Not a single person, not a secret committee, and not even the government alone. Its value is determined every second by a massive global battle of supply, demand, economic strength, interest rates, and investor confidence. The next time you see a dollar bill, remember, it's not just paper. Its value comes from the trust of millions of people around the world. And the moment that trust changes, everything can change. Money isn't valuable because it exists. It's valuable because people believe it is. And that belief moves the world. Subscribe for more psychology, money, and self-improvement videos. Thank you.